Face recognition is an add-on video analytic. When the face recognition video analytic is activated for a camera, it captures a face, and then compares the image to uploaded images in a database. If a match is made, an event is generated. The event can be replayed through the camera's video player, or through the events log, as shown here. See the events and camera tutorials for more information on replaying video for events. Face recognition is configured and run at the local gateway level, on a per-camera basis. Before face recognition can be configured and used, a token must be entered to enable a subscription. The token is provided from an NLSS partner. Click Global to access the subscription page. Click Subscriptions. The subscriptions page is displayed. Click Add to enable a new subscription. Select the subscription type from the drop-down list. Select Face Recognition. Enter the token supplied by the NLSS partner. Click Save to record the token. Before configuring face recognition, there are some guidelines that improve analytic results. For cameras, position the camera at face level for a direct view of the person's face. Verify the camera lens and cover are clean. If possible, use a variable zoom lens that can be focused on a face, rather than a wide-angle lens. For most applications, 720p resolution is sufficient for good face recognition. For wide-area scenes, where the faces are a small part of the view, a 1080p resolution may provide better results. Also, ensure that the background is not washed out due to bright lights or sunlight. For getting the best results for face recognition, follow these recommendations for getting the images. Verify that the subject's face remains in the camera's view for at least 1 second. Verify that there are no shadows in the facial area. Images with hats, sunglasses, or both, do not provide good results. Images with different facial hair from database pictures do not provide good results. When possible, provide procedural instructions that help ensure that these guidelines are met. For example, require people in a security line to remove their hats and sunglasses, and look at the camera as they pass through a checkpoint. When the video analytic is enabled, faces captured by a camera are compared to faces in the database. Events are generated depending on the determination that the system makes with the captured face. The face recognition database includes cardholders, and people that are added manually. To speed the process, a CSV file can be imported with a group name, and the person's name and description. Each entry includes a unique, user-supplied ID. Place the CSV file in a zip file with an images subdirectory, containing the pictures associated with the names. The image names must begin with the user-supplied ID, and then be numbered sequentially to uniquely identify the image in the database. The people in the CSV file are included in a group, as identified by the group name. Only one group can be included in a CSV file. To add more groups, create a separate CSV file to upload, or add it manually in the management page, discussed later in this tutorial. The zip file containing the CSV file and the images is uploaded to the face recognition database through the management option in the face recognition menu. When setting up the database, note that the maximum number of people per face recognition group is 5,000. As the number of people in the face group decreases, the accuracy typically increases. When face recognition is enabled for a camera, use the Video Analytics Forensic to adjust the parameters. Verify the results based on different settings. These settings are discussed in the tutorial covering the face recognition video analytic in the Operations playlist. To get started, click Face Recognition. Face Recognition has two configuration options: Management and Groups. Management allows you to import a zip with a CSV file and the photos to create a group in the database. The management option also allows profiles to be added and configured. Individual images also can be added for the people listed in the face recognition database. Groups allows you to partition the face recognition database into collections of people meeting certain criteria, such as full-time employees, contractors, threats, etc. Groups are discussed later in this tutorial. Click on Management to configure the face recognition database. The first step is to import the zip file listing the people for the database, and containing images identifying those people. Click Import. A dialog box is displayed to locate the file to be imported. Click Import. Navigate to the file to upload. Click Upload to add the data and photos to the database. The people included in the CSV file are listed in the Management table. Name fields and group assignments are listed in the Management Details pane at the bottom of the page. The photos included in the Images folder in the zip file are added to the database, and associated to the appropriate people, according to the Images file name. The images for each person can be viewed in the Images tab, which is discussed later in this tutorial. Please return to the Face Recognition playlist to begin Part 2. The configuration of face recognition.